What's up guys, it's Aiden, and if you like the song from the intro, that's my new single called Limitless. I'll leave a link to it up there if you want to check it out. Today we're going to be covering Camila Cabello's My Oh My, featuring DaBaby on FL Studio, and I'll leave the FLP in the description if you want to check that out. Okay, so first off we have the intro. So that was created using two parts. The first part is this bass guitar sound, which I found on Nexus, and the second part is this Rhodes piano sound. In regards to filters, the bass guitar I put on a parametric EQ2, retro color, and fruity reverb. And fruity reverb is really important for this intro. And for the piano I put on isotope vinyl, parametric EQ twice, retro color, and reverb again. Okay, so next up we have the second part of the intro. And that's got lots of layers. The first one is the bass guitar from the beginning. And then we have the Rhodes piano from the beginning. And then I used this brass that I found on Nexus. Then I added some crashes and a riser. And that introduces the main bass in the song. And I created that using two different sounds. The first is this Serum Synth. So I put that onto my mixer and I put on Sound Goodizer and Fruity Blood Overdrive, and I brought the preamp up a little bit. And then a mute guitar plays with that as well. And I put that onto my mixer and I put on Sound Goodizer again, and then retro color, and then Fruity parametric EQ2, and I got rid of some of the highs. And then that introduces the percussion. And then later on in the song, the percussion gets a bit more complicated. Also, there's this brass that plays throughout the song. And for the brass, I put on parametric EQ2, Sound Goodizer, retro color, isotope vinyl, fruity squeeze, and Maximus. Also, throughout the song, the intro can come back into it. Finally, this is the pattern that the kick goes through, and this is what the kick sounds like. I put that onto my mixer and I put on parametric EQ2, bass boost, and fruity limiter, and I right clicked on the presets and I chose for drums with slight saturation because it's quite a beefy kick. Alright, so that's it for the instrumentals. I'll play a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to make in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later.